going to fix the engine warning sign. All injectors are good from 1 to 4. So these are the faulty, almost 10. In this vlog, I am going to share our journey to the mechanic to fix the car and Ready Teddy. Both cars are very useful and it's been running for a year with a problem underneath. And these are the major problems that we need to fix. You know, Ready Teddy been working hard in most of my previous videos. Okay guys, so we're going to send So good morning guys, so we're going to boat right now to fix the engine warning sign. When there's engine support, the RPM is only 2000 RPM and the drive is only 60 or 40 kph maximum. But we've been bringing this car to CDO even if the RPM is only 2000, but still we bring this to buy some bales of ukay-ukay and hopefully this one fix. And sister's gonna buy something at Tubod today also. What are you going to buy, Sisa? Apil magka wide mo na. Tanaw ganyan ng kuana na screen.
Anything. As more groceries, something like that. Buying also some paints for walling.
Paints for walls.
Butang nga ito ni presyo ka na kayo diet.
Upload man.
So dito na tayo.
So we're watching some tutorials also.
Tingnan natin para mabustot ang pitaka na
So we're watching some tutorials also. And then right now we're going to remove the battery. Pareho ra formada.
sana maabot sa control box baka mabustot ang pitaka ng may-ari.
Tapos lot. Impas oy. So while I'm watching this one working, I am also editing so that I don't waste time because I can't help them anyways. Just watch here. So they're trying the injector. So which is all injectors are good from 1 to 4. So they're going to remove this wheel because they're going to remove something inside that they can reach from this above. So they're fixing over here. Montero na. So next attempt, AGR.
Sige. On. Lihok mo deh. On. Off. Okay man. Off.
We left the car at my cousin's house for a few days, but still we can't find the problem. So I decided to find another mechanic to fix
Di
it.
ra man ka mabalong. Di na may game mo start oy.
There's a few leaking under. That's the change oil. This one is the leaking. So these are the things that I bought for the car today. This one too, and this one.
This one.
Boleh. Ini order, ini kabut na order niya. Desa na.
Ilisa na lang ni on.
Ilisa na unit.
So these are the 40. We have almost 10. So these kids was selling banana Q. Then I'm going to buy I'm going to buy 5 pieces. Maybe ako ganito. This is the valve vacuum that we need to change. Unfortunately, there's no available in our area. So we need to buy this online or go to CDO. And right now, we are using temporary valve vacuum. Hopefully, this won't survive for a few months.
Sila na galing sa soldan eh.
Nagrito lagi nanang kuan ba, humok na kayo. Wala ka tong sa Dios gadaw gitang tay yung tong naginaya ko di igon na ibot sa
Mo gini siya. Mo gini ang kanay mga lock ane. Plastic ra man.
So it's business, guys. Already fixed. He's the one knows more about auto transmission car problems. Also, he doesn't charge much of labor fees compared to other mechanics. So the check engine is over here. So right now it's all gone. Oh my god, I'm so happy it's already fixed. Yay, so we are heading home right now. Ma, naulian ang sakyanan. Naulian ang sakyanan. So there are parts that we change in the car. There are, I think the name is swirl control solenoid valve. That's the one that we changed today. And then the engine warning light is now fixed. And also the accelerator is more than 2,000 RPM now. So let's test drive on the way home. I am so happy that the car is fixed. Ay, Altera, hindi ka pabiya, no? Hindi ka pabiya mo. Ano siya, ilisan?
Ilisan na.
Ano siya, ilisan? Ay, naulian yun siya. I'll show you the parts.
Sintos kapin ra.
This one. Pero kung palito na mga original, 3,000. Kani. So this one is the
Mo lagi nga nakuha gito siyang scanner.
nakuha sa yung scanner nga mo to'y sakit.
Yang uban scan guys, kan scan ni kapag ipa-scan dito ato pila to sudlon to. Wa gi klaro.
So this is what we bought today. We have some frying pan and then we have some shoes. Okay, so let's open that one later. Okay, so right now we are going home right now. And then I am going to drive because Dad is going to drive the multi-cab. Okay, let's go. Okay. So Dad is doing some gas. Putting some gas. Careful, Michelle. Mag-drive. Okay, wait tayo. Gabinan may nagpaayog sakyanan. Naulian siya. Naulian ragid siya. Ang mga lifting ready to do right now. So now they are fixing Ready Teddy. So hopefully this one is for change oil and for fixing this first wheel, because I think it's loosened or something, and then the 4-wheel drive as well. So hopefully they can fix this one today. We brought Ready Teddy today for change oil and to fix 4-wheel drive. Sad to say, there's more major problems that we need to fix first to the truck. These are the things that we need to fix and change. And I was surprised with all the labor fees for each. For Ready Teddy, we have different mechanic and a few mechanic that helps each other to fix Ready Teddy. These are just labor costs, guys, not including the car parts that I need to buy to change the broken parts. So I almost back out, but I think Ready Teddy deserves to be fixed from all of the hard work he does from the beginning. It's been 7 years of hard work. This is their shop, and if you buy auto parts at their shop and go to the repair shop, they have discounts. Imagine how bad this auto parts. It's going to cause accident if this one completely broke. And he's the one that is going to fix the 4-wheel drive, but not today, but in our next visit when I have budget. So these are for the change oil, and these are for the new parts. And then as well these, and also the bearing over there.
Vlogger ba ning sige. Kung una nga pag magliko ko nga bikaon kung diri. Mara. Filter na sa oil. Sala ni. Sala? Kana mga pugaw ba? Amo ba? Igo respon check.
If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye everyone!